आयज आमी हांगा आमचे सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ मॅडम नीला मोहनन, आमचे डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज डॉक्टर मोर्य, आमचे डॉक्टर वीरेन गावकर, उदय काकोडकर डॉक्टर, आमचे डॉक्टर अनाथ आणि डॉक्टर राजेश्वर नायक आशिल्लो हां सर, आणि डॉक्टर मल्ल्या आणि आमचे सगळे प्रेसचे भाव आणि भयणी हांगा आयल्या. आयज परत एकदा तुमकां खबर आहा आमी दर फ्रायडे आमची मिटींग घेतात. आयज खुबश्यो गोष्टी तुमच्या फुडें हाडपाचो उद्देश इतलोच आशिल्लो की आमी जे कितें रिव्यू मिटींग एंड एक्सपर्ट कमिटी जे आहा ते एक्सपर्ट कमिटीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी जे कितें डिस्कस करता ते तुमच्या फुडें हाडपाचो आसता. What we are trying to say is that whatever we are doing as far as Goa Medical College is concerned, and we have got expert doctors also with us who give us a critical evaluation of what we are doing. Let me just run you through exactly what we have been doing from last Friday to this Friday. Is that we have immediately, they have roped in Sodexo. Sodexo has already started providing healthy nutrition to the patients of ESI, the hospital, COVID hospital in Madgaon. It has been, we have started using it for ESI Madgaon and also for SDH Ponda and Old Hospice. Also the services will be roped in when it's fully ready to be commissioned as a for postnatal and antenatal. I would like all the media to understand is that we are working very hard day in and day out, and also recruitment pertaining to whatever is required at these facilities is being taken up in phases. As far as EcoClean is concerned, we have taken them as an agency for housekeeping in the ESI hospital as well as for patient handling. And also I am confident that as far as the hygiene and all these other things are concerned, each and every aspect when monitored by Secretary and Health and Dean Goa Medical College and our whole team of doctors. Most important is we have slowly started seeing that there is a slight, what your press has been, to the media it is being reported. Definitely, and our challenge in front of us is to see how, taking the view of all the expert doctors, all who are sitting here today, is trying to see what all needs to be done to reduce the mortality rate and same time provide most the best facilities to the patients suffering from COVID-19. IST दिसा तुम्ही पळयल्यार, and also as far as we are concerned, we find a lot of people are also opting, and with the help of IMA and with the active support of IMA, what we are doing is this home isolation is being properly monitored. The doctors we were discussing, doctor also is a part of the IMA, is that twice a day at least the patient is spoken to see whether what is the situation of the patient, whether anything further needs to be done. I am very this thing about 2-3 aspects is that if I just wanted to mention to you that I am very happy that the private hospitals also are on board, and we are indirectly supporting also the private hospitals wherever it is required to save somebody's life. Choice of a person where the person goes for treatment is left to the person. One cannot decide about that because it is an individual choice. Circumstances at that point of time unknown, it is not known to us. And most important, as far as we are concerned, we are trying to see that each and every aspect, as told to the media last time, is being implemented. But we are implementing it in a very transparent and a very taking thorough advice and whatever needs to be done as per the rules, we are doing each and every aspect, taking forward. As we speak, we have also, this week we were supposed to get some, under CSR also some HFNO machines. And additionally, Dean, there is an expert committee that has been appointed. Which will be notified shortly. It is also purchase committee, specifically for purchases. Joint purchase committee for DHS as well as for Goa Medical College. And the Dean is the chairman of that. The director DHS is a member. Dr. Geeta Kakurkar, member secretary. Joint director accounts is a member. Assistant of accounts officer GMC is a member. Same thing, joint director account DHS and accounts officer DHS. This was discussed with the chief minister, and in his presence we decided that this is the way we will move forward. In addition to this, we are ensuring that each and every aspect is taken care of in terms of providing the best quality protocol as far as the patients are concerned. Parallelly, what is our role here? Our role here as Minister and Secretary Health, Madam Neela Mohan, Dean, and all the expert doctors is to every week critically evaluate what is happening in terms of the COVID-19, in terms of the spike, what needs to be done, where we feel the gaps can be filled up. As mentioned to you last time, 145, 146, 147, 145, 146, 147 ward has been already started. In addition, the ward which was newly renovated and done up as far as the cardiothoracic ward, which was there because there are hardly one or two cases in the week. We have decided there also approximately about 30 patients. That is, it's a state-of-art ward that will be used for COVID patients. We have just had a discussion with doctor, and there some beds will be allotted for those patients in the 121 private ward. We have just discussed with Dr. Anar and Dean, Madam was also discussing, and all of us, all the doctors through our interaction, is that Goa Medical College should be kept only for critical patients that require attention from different specialities. And there are absolutely mild patients, they should be shifted to STH Ponda, because as we speak, ESI hospital is totally full. Yesterday, even Victor Apollo didn't have space in the hospital, so they sent a patient to Dr. Kakodkar in the ESI hospital. As far as Manipal Hospital is concerned, we are supporting even the activities of Manipal Hospital. Janna Manipal Hospital plasma lagta, we supply the plasma, because here we cannot say that we have the plasma and we won't give the plasma, because we have to deal with somebody's life. When it means somebody's life, whichever hospital asks for support, it is our duty to see that we give that support. As we speak, whether it is plasma, whether it is ventilators, whether it is any kind of support. As you know that when the AIIMS team came also, our doctors from Goa Medical College interacted with the Manipal team, and that jointly they had an interaction with the AIIMS team. AIIMS team also visited the Goa Medical College, gave some clues, gave some ideas as to how we can further see what they have been doing in Delhi. After that, they went and visited the COVID hospital. So it's very important to understand what is being done in other parts of the country, and as a result of which we can improve ourselves and also ensure that we are able to reduce the deaths due to COVID-19. Doctor was talking and sharing about a Mayo Clinic paper that is there, that to plasma to be given at a particular specific SOP which is there. So what we want to do is that to ensure that we are able to carry out a very aggressive plasma donation and encouraging people who have even on home isolation. There was a myth that saying that people who are in home isolation, people who are asymptomatic, their titer will be very low. It is not so. As a result of which, we are also requesting doctor that to request IMA also, because they are in constant touch, talk to them. Doctor was of the opinion that also counselling is required. He has got an NGO, actually Sanjeevani, which is working in Goa, which is associated with Goa Medical College. They will also be sent to the ESI hospital, talking to people, encouraging people, and also we have come out with a newsletter, sort of a newsletter like Donate Plasma and Save Lives. This is just a preliminary what was there for discussion. This will be slightly modified in English and Konkani, and we can have it in English and Konkani, and then basically, share it and use all the forums that are available to send it out through a digital platform so that it reaches out to people. There are several people in Goa and who have recovered from COVID-19, and we need them to come forward. As we speak, we have seen that plasma can do wonders, and plasma has helped in saving people's lives. And as a result, again and again, I constantly, whenever I come in front of you, we use the media, which is a very important. The people that it is absolutely, it will not affect the donor in any way. We have got the apheresis machine, we have got every facility that is there to come forward to give the plasma. In GMC, they will check whether the titer is high or it is very low, and then only the plasma, the person will be eligible for plasma donation. Be more than just a COVID survivor and become a COVID savior, and donate plasma and save lives is the campaign which has been designed by the Dean, and the Secretary Health will monitor, and she will herself see that we tie up with various forums to see that this message goes across to the people. I have also suggested to Honorable Chief Minister and requested Honorable Chief Minister is that we need to take this at a state level platform, leaving politics at the sidelines. And the Chief Minister, I have already sent a note, he will give a time next week, where the concerned MLA also of that particular area, where there have been containment zones, suppose you have Mangur, suppose containment zone in Chimbel, to encourage people to come forward and to donate plasma. We will also rope in the Rotary of Vasco, Rotary, Panjim, every organization that is available, we will rope them in, and we will take with active participation from IMA and other associations and organizations. We will ensure that we move forward in this drive for plasma therapy. So Chief Minister, I'm sure, will call a meeting next week with all the respective MLAs that are there, wherever the containment zones have been there. Maybe Tony, it can be Vijay Sardesai, it can be Digambar Kamath, it can be Francis Silvera, it can be several Carlos, Mr. Morvin Budino. So every person associated with those, Mr. Milind Naik, all these areas. Right? My own constituency, several containment areas were there. So we need to push this message across to the people that coming forward and to see that this plasma donation picks up. We have a good capacity of packs of plasma which we store, and we find that this plasma will, in a combination with the medication that the doctors decide, we will be able to save more lives. By next Friday, by the time we come, we would have already placed orders and procured also a lot of equipment that is required for the COVID hospital. Every aspect is being looked at. I would like to assure you that आयज खुबशे न्यूजपेपर म्हणून हांव एक मनीस आसा की तुमकां फुड्यानूच येवन सांगता कितें कितें आहा तें. आयज आमचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स हांगा कित्याक आमी आयज आयले, आयज डॉक्टर ऑस्कर नाशिल्लो कारण तेजी आई बरी ना, पूण कित्याक आमी जेन्ना डिस्कशन करता आमी क्रिटिकली डिस्कस करता प्रत्येक इशू. एवरी इशू इज क्रिटिकली डिस्कस, नॉट nothing is kept away because we have to discuss. Unless doctors like Dr. Rajeshwar Naik, Dr. Molyo, Dr. Viren Gaonkar, आमचे डॉक्टर डीन, आमचो डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर, आमचे सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ डॉक्टर अनार, हे सगळे जेन्ना फुडें येता आनी एकमेका कडेन डिस्कस करता तेन्ना आमी एक कॉन्फिडन्स बिल्डिंग मेजर की आमी जें कितें करता तें सारक्या आनी लोकांच्या हितान आमी पावलां आमी घेता. हांव एक तुमकां अश्युरन्स दिवंक सोदता. वी वूड लायक टू अश्युअर द मिडिया थ्रू यू द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, लोकांचो विश्वास आयज पर्यंत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचेर आसा आनी आसतलोच. हेल्थ सर्विसीस एकदम बरें काम करता. आमचो डायरेक्टर बरो ना जालो, पण कितें जालें रातचे तेणी ते एंटीजन टेस्ट केले आनी ताका तेन्नाच सीटी स्कॅन केली. पण कितें आहा तो खंय एडमीट जालो हेजो प्रश्न ना, कारण आमी प्रत्येकाक आमी हेल्प करता, प्रत्येक हॉस्पिटलाक आमी तेंको दिता आनी प्रत्येकाची फॅमिलीचो पर्सनल चॉयस आसा अशें ना. फाल्यां आमचे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान प्रॉब्लेम कितें आहा की आमचे कडेन रूम्स आनी आमची कॅपॅसिटी बी फूल जायत आहा. आतां डॉक्टर अनार म्हणटाले की आपल्याक कदाचित आनी वॉर्ड्स लागतले ते कोविडा खातीर, पण गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज इज नॉट अ कोविड हॉस्पिटल. Goa Medical College wards that we are used is only because to deal with critically ill patients and critically comorbid patients, so that we can deal with them more aggressively with a better protocol and treatment, so that the specialists can deal, all the specialists. As we speak, we have already in principle approved in the cabinet, which I have already mentioned to you, regarding all the mobile dialysis machine, mobile X-ray machine, all these, once this committee gets notified, they will take it forward. Plasma is very important and we need to see that we have this campaign at all forums. So we will be talking to all the news channels and every forum that is available for us. Dr. Malya Basल्या, they we amka खूप त्यांचं सहकार्य आणि government is getting, we have taken already, as far as gastro is concerned, 3 doctors already. One is already cabinet note I have signed, Dr. Alvarez. आणि आमचे हरीश पेशवे सगळे जॉईन, त्यांची ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी पास झाल्या, कॅबिनेट हॅज ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड अँड वन मोर डॉक्टर we have taken. त्याचबरोबर one another doctor proposal is in the pipeline, Dr. Mangeshkar, who is a gynaec and who has been Goan origin but been out most of the time. So a lot of senior people want to come and join Goa Medical College, and as a result of which we are happy to have them on board because we need doctors at this stage. Whatever staff requirement is there, it has already been discussed with Chief Minister and Dean is to give a comprehensive proposal for this high dependence, basically the ICU part of it, to see that we we are able to use that ratio properly so that there is a sufficient care of the patients that is taken. I would like to mention to you, every aspect is shared with the media. We have never hidden anything. I would like to also share with you that Goa has got the highest testing rate as far as the tests are concerned for COVID-19, and per million it's the highest. More you test, the more number of cases you will get. आयज हांवें पळयतालो की काय लोक आर्टिकलाच्या थ्रू वेगवेगळे गोष्टी म्हणटा. आयज कोणी तरी विषय काडला की आरोग्य क्षेत्रावर विश्वास आहे का. म्हाका तरी हा, माझे वडील तेन्ना बरे नाशिल्ले, हांव गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजानूच तांकां व्हेल्लो, आनी जेन्ना म्हाजे वडील जे गोंय राज्याचे इतले वर्सां मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले तेन्ना प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल न वयता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान काडे धरसी कोर्टान तो एडमीट जाता आनी थंय 3 दीस त्यांनी काडले. And then he had some infection, as a result of which I have full faith in the institution, and I think people of Goa have full faith in the institution. And also we must respect people's sentiments. And as खूपशे गोष्टी झाल्या, आमचो डायरेक्टराचो बी विषय आयलो. Director has done a fantastic job during COVID-19. and he had some infection in the lungs, so he had to be admitted immediately. So if he goes to do a thing, there is no big deal. Because that hospital also we have given ventilators, we give plasma, we give several backup on a regular basis. So basically what we have to understand that we are one team. All the private sector and the government has to work as one team with the backing of the IMA so that we are able to save lives and take things forward. I, for one, believe that all information that we have been giving to the media till today, through Secretary, through myself, through Dean, has been very transparent. One more thing I would like to mention to you, the minute you drop testing, then you will realize that numbers automatically will fall. And we don't want to do that. And also, large number of people are going in for home isolation, which is being properly monitored. And as a result of which, I told you just now, the decision that we are taking is that cardiothoracic ward, which is there, that we are converting into one more COVID positive patients. Already the ward for COVID positive, post-operative patients that are COVID positive was already commissioned. And this is how we want to move forward. That's all for today. Only I thought we should inform the media is that this is all what we have been doing. Plasma is something we need to concentrate. Plasma is something that we need to see that we encourage more people to come forward. As we speak, Madam is also going to be talking to the police and other people who have already recovered from this COVID-19. We will also talk to our several senior residents and senior doctors who have recovered from COVID-19. But we will take it upon ourselves and we will also try to rope in several people to pass on the message to the people of the state of Goa that it is absolutely safe to donate plasma. And as a government, and with I would like to say with Madam Neela Mohanan and Dean, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आणि आमचे सगळे डॉक्टर सगळ्यांची नाव घेना पण इक्वली आम्ही एक टीम म्हणून आम्ही काम करता हांगा काय जेन्ना डॉक्टर ऑस्कर कितें सजेशन करता काय डॉक्टर राजेश्वर नायक कितें सजेशन करता काय डॉक्टर मोलियो कितें सजेशन करता हे आम्ही इनकॉर्पोरेट करता खुबश्यो वायज ऑर्डरी काडले आम्ही खुबश्यो गोष्टी तरेतरेचे विचाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ज्या माध्यमांतल्यान वी आर एबल टू सी दॅट वी आर एबल टू प्रोवाइड द गुड केअर टू द COVID-19 पेशंट आय एम कॉन्फिडंट दॅट our plasma drive also will move up, which Dean suggested that we should go more aggressive. And also second thing is that as far as we are concerned, we are not going to leave anything to chance. We are going to see that we bring these deaths under control. We need to bring this mortality under control and we are working hard. Sometimes, like we have already mentioned in the past, several times patients are brought at a very late stage to the hospital, as a result of which we find it very difficult to recover from this COVID-19. That's it. And we are here with the only intention of seeing that every Goan gets the best care and the best treatment is given to him. Only problem with my facility in Goa, our facility in Goa Medical College is that we are unable to give private rooms. But wherever private rooms, there are few private rooms which are there. We will use them for the patients who need them. But that's the only thing. So as a result, people generally prefer a private setup basically because of the room factor. But there also, that's all full and there's no space. Either there are no beds. And as there are no beds in Victor Apollo, the whole load is on the government system. And we need to take it. And we will see that we live up to the expectations of people. Give me something.
Actually, I am here as a person to promote plasma. Our requirement of plasma is per day at least we should get 25 packets, but we are getting 4 or 5 per day. So we are having a deficit of almost 20 packets. And as a matter of fact, to encourage this, today I have invited 2 people who have donated plasma and they have saved 2 lives. So I would like Honorable Health Minister and Madam Health Secretary to honor these 2 donors so that we give a very clear-cut message through your media saying that if you donate, you will save lives. And this should go very strongly. From Monday, we are expecting to collect at least 25 plasmas per day or at least getting 5 to 10 donors per day. And we are doing it through apheresis mechanism where it is very clear that we are not taking any other nutrients from the blood, that all those nutrients go back to the patient. We only take plasma. That machine is specific only for plasma. So this is what message I want to give to you. So we'll just call the
Derek Coelho.
Derek. He donated plasma. He has recovered from COVID, and his plasma has saved one person's life.
Syed Hassan.
Madam, he is also recovered from COVID. He has donated plasma which has saved one life. So please welcome.
One second.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. That's it. Anika and Anik.
There is a shortage of this wards and the bed.
आता सगळे सांगा.
No, but sir, why are the two floors in South Goa District Hospital not?
Baba, that you are unnecessarily barking up the wrong tree. South Goa District Hospital, first of all, there is lot of some work that is pending, and second thing is which floor are you talking of?
No, there is a
No,
controversy.
which floor? There is no controversy as I am.
There are two floors which are not being used. Social activists have been.
No, which social activist is not an expert in as far as the state is concerned. We have the old hospital to the new South Goa District Hospital. Once they give us a GSIDC gives us a clearance that is ready to be shifted. This is a hospital ultimately. There has to be having every facility in place. The last two floors that time were kept because of starting a nursing institute. We said we don't require, we can increase the capacity here itself. It's there. So as a result of which, it is not only keeping a place empty, it is also seeing that the necessary stuff that is required for that particular hospital is in place. So as a result, we have not yet shifted. Now Ponda, we have got only 20 patients which are there in the South District Hospital. And we have just now said that in Goa Medical College when we admit, we'll admit people who are only critically that is required, and from all angles we need to monitor them. Balance all will move to SDH Ponda. So we have space, there's no space. ESI hospital is the first hospital fully loaded at the moment. And as a result of which we are upgrading it as we speak every week, adding on something to see that best of care is given in that hospital. Now the last floor, two floor, the main thing, let us agree to a fact, is that the hospital is still to be handed over by GSIDC to us, and they have assured they'll give it to us in the next 10 days or 15 days, whatever the date they have given us. But once they give it to us, only then we can move the patients from the other hospital. It's not because last two floors were kept for nursing institute. As the Government of India regulation, when the Honorable Prime Minister announced that you can go in for a private medical college, then we decided that we will let that nursing space which is there, we can utilize it for the private medical college. But that all depends on government policy, government decision, because definitely if there is a private medical college attached to your South Goa District Hospital, it will help in enhancing the facilities, and also additional students will get seats and certain reserved quota seats for the students in Goa. So many people want more seats. But if I have to put one more medical, there are two schemes. One is having a medical college, new medical college, which is definitely not viable, because the Government of India is only giving viability gap funding, and that viability gap funding will not be enough. Again, creating as it is to run Goa Medical College is a challenge, and as a result of which we thought, when the Government of India brought rules and regulations, where I have got a very clear, I had already tweeted the letter that we have got from Dr. Harshvardhan. The modality is to be followed when you are going in, and district hospital is eligible to tie up for a private medical college. That will help in bringing somebody on board who can not only bring additional seats for the Goan students, but also bring in that type of investment that is required to see that South Goa gets the best of facilities. Today, with COVID, today with the situation of a financial crunch, the state government is putting all its resources to ensure that we are able to give best of care to the COVID patients. And let me tell you that we need to look at things beyond. That's why the Government of India also has brought in and the district hospital under the purview where you can tie up for a but it has all got a laid down procedure that is given, and the laid down procedure will be followed, and the government will take a decision appropriately based deemed fit. These things, however many ideas we may have, each and every idea has to be vetted by the government, each and every idea has to be vetted by the cabinet, only then we can move forward.
So my second question is, the government is going to pay for the bills of the health director and all the politicians. So why are they not getting admitted? In
No, how do you know?
So the MLA.
No, I want to ask you, how do you know?
The MLA are
Suraj?
entitled for.
No, they are what they entitlement they will get. As far as we are concerned, tomorrow if any MLA is eligible for certain medical benefits, he is eligible.
Yeah.
He can use his medical eligibility. What is there? It is his choice where he goes. It is not my choice.
But what example is the director health setting when he?
No, I don't think he is setting any wrong example because we are also backing up Manipal Hospital and many private hospitals, including Victor Apollo by whenever they require remdesivir and many things, we are sending it across and then they reimburse it. It was till now all these things ventilatorची ज्यांना गरज आशिल्ली त्यांना व्हेंटिलेटर बी आम्ही दिल्या आणि तो जर बरो नसलो त्या दिस रातचो तो गेला आणि ताचे सिटी स्कॅन झाले आणि ऍडमिट झाले काय हरकत नाही काय प्रॉब्लेम आम्हीच सपोर्ट करता नाही हॉस्पिटल
How the common man will have a confidence?
Common man will continue to have be rest assured, irrespective of what anybody says, common man has faith in Goa Medical College and the health services.
So when the director.
No, it doesn't matter. The फाल्या ए बरो ना जालो फाल्या म्हाका फाल्या कोविड जाले हांव कितें प्रायवेटान वचपाचो हा हांव सरळ गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजात ऍडमिट जातलो आनी प्रॉब्लेम काय ना आता हांव जर भिवन दीस काडले प्रत्येक मनशांनी विचार करचो पडटा आपूण कितें निर्णय घेता तेचे पर्सनल डिसिजन ऑफ हिम एंड हिज फॅमिली which we should not. I have no authority as a minister to question. And I don't see anything wrong because all of us are working together with each other. IMA is working with us. All other doctors. Tomorrow, Goa Medical College. Tomorrow, including Manohar Parrikar, to my father took treatment in Goa Medical College only. आणि प्रश्न कितें आहा की प्रत्येकाचो तो पर्सनल चॉयस हांव आनी कितें उलोवपाचें.
So one more thing, when you all are trying to tackle this situation in each and every possible, is it right for Goa government to hold ISL in Goa?
No, I can't comment. See,
Because
if you ask me.
see, there are three grounds.
1 minute.
Why I'm trying to ask
One
this?
minute. When I say something, that becomes big front banging news on the front paper. So I decide to talk as health minister of the state. पयर हांवें तेन्ना सांगलेलें तुमकां की गणेश चतुर्थी साजरो करतात तेन्ना फॅमिलींतल्या भितूर साजरो करा ह्यावटेन तेवटेन भोंव नाका लोकांनी उल्लंघन केल्लें आसा सगळे गोष्टीचे मास्क न घालता 100 लोक 150 लोक एकत्र राहिले आनी आतां स्पायक जावंक लागला केसीस आतां ते कोण विचार करिना तेन्ना सांगलें म्हाका जायत्या लोकांनी ट्रोल केलो फेसबुकार म्हाका काय फरक पडना कित्याक म्हाज्या मनान कितें हांव उलयताच.
So why I'm asking, you are part of the government.
No, I am-
One
no, I
of
am-
the football ground is in Vasco, sir.
I am the health minister of the state of Goa and I
That's
talk
why I'm
only
asking.
related to health.
So that's why I'm asking, would it be a concern for you all?
See,
Because
you have to only ask me health questions. This is a health briefing. Let me restrict myself
so
to
I'm
health.
asking in terms of health
Sir,
only, because it will
sir,
create, you
I
want, you want to
already-
create a situation
No,
where,
that will
because these
create
players
a-
will get together.
आता कितें get together बी ते SOP कितें तरी
Sir,
ठरलेले असलेले ते करतले.
Also, recent visit of the AIMS, also
Total number of beds.
Yeah, in the private
ते
sector.
बेड्स आणि रूम धरून असतले नाही 20-25 असतले प्रत्येक रूम मॅडम.
Sir, we have asked all hospitals
20%.
to have ICU facilities.
Yeah. And also second thing I want to make a Vindhya is that it is not simply taking beds from a private hospital. They have to have a ICU backup facility also. So there are only four or five such hospitals which we have asked.
To know the total beds in the 4 hospitals.
Assuming that around say 20 beds per hospital, say Victor Apollo कितले असतले? About 100 beds. 100 beds and आमचे facility एक 600 सुमार आमच्या government.
And the number of people who have been cured after being given plasma.
कितले लोक plasma दिले?
Total plasma received is 36. Now the cured more than 50%.
How much?
Have been cured.
16.
More than 60%.
More than 60% people who have received plasma have been cured.
So also recent visit of the AIMS was just because the Ayush minister has been admitted or
No.
they will going to revisit to Goa.
I will let's be very frank as far as this is concerned. Dr. Guleria is in constant touch with the teams of Goa Medical College and AIMS on a regular basis to advise us on various protocols. And they have actually supported us in every way because AIMS is one of the finest institutions in terms of the protocols and SOPs and they have been helping us. And after they came, they did check Mr. Shripad Naik, but they also came and visited the wards in Goa Medical College. You are aware of that. After that, they visited the COVID hospital. They told us about the experiences in AIMS. And also, we need their support and guidance from time to time because COVID is something that is a very dynamic process. It will keep on changing. As a result of which, we have to see how best we can deal and take best of advice from best of experts from the country.
So this plasma is given free to the private hospital?
Yeah, it's given free. कोणाचे जीवन वाचून जायला की आमगे price घालून.
No, but these private hospitals are charging.
No, that see, let me put it like this. As we speak today, I can't stop giving plasma. If there is a patient that is in need of remdesivir and that hospital doesn't have, I will continue to give it. I have no protocol set. Why? Because if it is dealing with somebody's life, as a health minister of state of Goa and sitting here representing this government has to see that we provide these things to those people. But as we speak now, as far as plasma, because we are a larger institution, and if we are as it is having a shortage of plasma, we require minimum 10 donors a day, and that also the right type of plasma needs to be collected. But we are trying our best to see that we encourage this drive, and we will continue to encourage the people. And wherever a private hospital requires plasma, it is somebody's life. I cannot put a rule to it.
I have made
Someone
sure
tell me free dita
that
ante
these
puche
private
gaya.
hospitals are not charging the patient.
How it is then?
They are charging very high.
Sir, तुम्ही free dita ante puche gaya.
Sir, there is a committee which is examining all the rates for the private hospital treatment for COVID.
There is already a committee.
But
1
the
minute.
thing,
One minute.
that the patient who has been administered plasma in Manipal, they are saying that the hospital is charging them for plasma.
No, see, Manipal also is collecting plasma.
Yeah.
Manipal also is collecting plasma. From us, they have taken only on 2-3 occasions. They have not
No,
taken,
sir,
but
it's also-
they also have got a apheresis machine.
No,
It's
but
also about
how,
blood groups.
Yeah.
That correct blood groups plasma should be available. That's
so,
also.
but how it is that तुम्ही फुकट dita ante puche घेता?
ना पण आम्ही प्लाझ्मा दिल्ल्याचे चार्ज केला म्हणून तुका कोणी सांगला त्यांच्याकडे बी
You should
अफेअर
clarify no sir, that's why.
आयन आताच सांगला की
But the
secretary
people donating are giving it free of cost.
No,
no 1 minute we are not charging anybody.
Yeah.
So, sir, you are
Say 1 minute
You are not charging, sir.
I agree साहेब मातसो बेश्टे कुफुसा करू नका तुम्ही जे माहिती हा ते सारखे माहिती लोकांकडे पावून जाय
The committee is been formed, sir.
एक मिनिट मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाकडे बी अफेरेसिस मशीन हा मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल कितें चार्ज करता तेच्या खातीर ऑलरेडी एकूच हॉस्पिटल न्हू जनरली प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलांक कितें चार्ज करूंक जाय ती कमिटी हा तेजे आमी फुडल्या फ्रायडे पर्यंत आमी फायनल करून आमी तुमकां हे दितले की कशें चार्जिंग तेजे स्टडी करपाक की कितें चार्ज करता म्हण प्रत्येक मनशाक आता मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान जर प्लाझ्मा ड्रॉ केल्या तर मणिपाल will charge whatever it is for the plasma. As far as Goa government is concerned, government of Goa, we are using plasma to save people's life and there is no cost to it.
No, just one thing. आता तुम्ही 2 ऑलरेडी दिल्या म्हणता मणिपाला. सो ते तुम्ही फ्री दिल्या आणि त्यांनी त्यांना फ्री दिल्यावर इट वॉज चार्ज.
कळतले न्ही म्हाका कोणाक दिल्या म्हाका बी खबर आहा न्ही.
Okay. Sir. AIMS team has given 2 suggestions. Anything has happened in that direction?
The only suggestion, they were very happy with our protocols. They said we are working exactly as per the guidelines. The one suggestion they gave is that they said RT-PCR reports should be given quickly. This has been duly conveyed to the virology lab, and Dr. Savio is doing it. So we have no issues on that. Plus we have started antigen testing. Yesterday only we got a kit. We were not having kit. They were also said that you should do antigen testing for the patient.
In the GMs.
In the GMs. So we got both are conveyed. This is complied with.
And they asked for some high flow machines. They also asked suggested some machine high flow machine.
High flow machines will be
Already केले नाही सगळे
Order केलं.